You've seen the title. Let's get straight into it. First up, the script kiddie. These guys don't know what they're doing. They downloaded a tool, hit run, and now they're pretending they're the next big thing. These are the people who think copying and pasting code is hacking. Their idea of a skill is Googling how to hack and hitting the first link. If that's your definition of hacking, you're about as dangerous as a hamster in a hamster wheel. Lots of running, but not getting anywhere. Next, the white hat hacker. These folks are the good guys. They'll break into your system, point out all the weak spots, and fix them. You know, like the IT guy who actually knows what he's doing, unlike the guy who tells you to just restart it. White hats do the job right. They get paid to keep things safe. If someone's saving your data before the black hats find it, that's them. Thanks guys, you don't get as nearly enough rep as you should be. Speaking of black hats, these are the folks you really don't want to meet. They're the ones who'll steal your data, lock it up for ransom, and make you pay to get it back. They run phishing scams, spread malware, and generally make your life a living nightmare. If your computer gets a weird pop-up asking for your bank details, guess what? The black hat is already there, smiling behind the screen. Stop making these guys sound cooler than they are. The internet paints them as some dark, mysterious overlords, but in reality, most of them are just spraying 5,000 stolen emails and hoping some unsuspecting grandma clicks the barely convincing Amazon phishing link. And when she does, bam, her account's drained and she's left broke. Super impressive, right? A real digital mastermind for sure. Then there's the grey hat hacker. These guys are tricky. They'll break into your system, find flaws, and instead of fixing them like white hats, they'll drop you a bill for the fix. They're not doing it for the good of humanity. They're doing it because they can. They'll knock on your door with a smile, holding a solution to your problem, but you didn't ask for their help in the first place. It's a shady business. You could say they're the freelancers of the hacking world, but with a lot more grey area. Now, the hacktivist. These are the rebels of the hacker world. They don't care about your credit card numbers or personal data. They care about causing chaos for causes they believe in. They'll take down government websites, leak information to make a point, and basically hit you with the digital equivalent of burning your lunch in protest. They hack for justice, or at least their version of it. No one's safe from their keyboard if they think it's for the greater good. Let's not forget the insider threat. These are the employees who know too much. They're already in your system, so they don't need to hack it. They just go rogue. Maybe they're stealing data, selling it to the highest bidder, or just messing things up because they're upset. Imagine your coworker who definitely knows your password and now definitely knows how to exploit it. Yeah, that's them. Sadly, they are a type of hacker as well. And of course, the phisher. These are the guys who don't need to hack anything because they just ask for it. They'll send you an email posing as a bank, asking you to verify your details. One click and boom, your info is gone. These guys don't play fair. They might even send you a link to an amazing deal, and you'll be thinking it's too good to pass up. Spoiler, it is. Yeah, even that Nigerian prince with the too good to be true inheritance offer. In some strange category, you can call him a hacker too. Here's the social engineer. They're all about mind games. No fancy tools needed, just a ton of charm. They'll talk you into handing over your passwords, your private info, and sometimes even your soul if you're not paying attention. They've got the gift of gab and the skills to manipulate you into making bad decisions. One wrong move, and your entire life's been hacked by a smooth talker in a nice suit. You can probably find these guys lurking in those YouTube videos with puppeteer and marionette thumbnails. Oh, and don't forget, they swear by 48 Laws of Power as their favorite book. Classic. The cybercriminal organization. This is where things get really intense. These hackers don't work alone. They've got an army. Think Ocean's 11, but instead of robbing casinos, they're stealing data, running scams, and laundering money through cyberspace. They're coordinated, calculated, and they don't stop until they get what they want. These guys will hit big. You won't even see it coming until your bank account is empty and your data's been sold on the dark web. And then there's the terminal tyrant. He's all about Arch Linux, refuses to touch anything as basic as a GUI, and commands his system with a keyboard like it's some kind of weapon. He spends his days in the terminal compiling custom kernels and optimizing his system until it's perfect, all while lecturing anyone who'll listen about how real hackers don't need fancy software, just raw code. He's the type who'll hack into a Wi-Fi network, just to show you how it's done, then give you a 20-minute rant on the importance of open source software. All you can think is, yeah, we get it, you're a hacker, now please stop. Hackers come in all shapes and sizes, from the noobs who barely know what a firewall is, to the pros running massive criminal empires. Some are out to help, some are out to hurt, and some just want to make a quick buck. The key is to know who's after you, what they want, and how they're going to get it. Stay safe, and I pray to Jesus you didn't identify with one of the cringe hackers I just mentioned. And if you actually want to become one of the real ones, join our Hack Academy. We cover everything you need step by step, from touching Linux for the first time, to mastering the command line, passing your OSCP, getting bug bounties, landing your first cybersecurity job, and leveling up from clueless to certified. No fluff, just the exact path and tools you need to actually make it. All the videos, labs, resources, and mentorship packed in one place. And best of all, you can sign up today for free. See you on the inside.